Hello, Unit 1 Biology students. I am going to do the glucose homeostasis prac for you today. So you should have this table that you're going to fill out, which has two patients on it, patient A and patient B. And what I'm going to do is test each of the samples from each patient and show you the results. So these are the samples. These are patient A's samples and patient B's. There's been blood plasma taken from them at each of the times listed on this table. And the way I'm going to show you the results is I'm going to use these glucose dipsticks. So I'm going to dip it in the sample, and then I'm going to show you, we'll have to wait exactly 30 seconds for the reading. And then I'm just going to kind of slowly, really slowly move the strip along there, and you have to figure out which color you think it matches the most, and then in turn take down the reading of that, what the concentration of sugar is in their plasma at that time. And from these results, you should be able to tell which one has diabetes. You should be able to tell if they took insulin, or if they've eaten. All right, anyway, we'll get started. So, first test. I'll show you the first test, and then the rest I'll kind of just pause the video and wait 30 seconds and show you the results. So I've got my patient A, 6:30 a.m. This is the first one we're doing. Dipping it in to the blood plasma, which as you can see is not blood red, because the blood plasma is kind of like the yellowy clear solution that is extracted out of blood when you spin it down in a centrifuge. All right, so I'm going to wait 30 seconds. I've got my timer. I'm going to pause this while we wait. So it's been 30 seconds. This is patient A, 6:30 a.m. I'm just going to slide this slowly along, and you can take the reading where you believe it needs to go. Okay, that's patient A, 6:30. I'm going to come back with 6:30 with patient A, 7:30 a.m. All right, now we're back with, this is patient A, 7:30 a.m. Patient A, 7:30. All right, now it's patient A, 10:30. Patient A, 10:30. Now we are on patient A, 11:30. Patient A, 11:30. All right. Now we are on patient A, 12:30. So this is the sample. It was patient A, 12:30. Now we've got patient A, 1:30. That's patient A, 1:30. All right. Now we've got patient A, 3 p.m. Right. Third last reading, patient A at 5 p.m. Now again, I've been dipping these and waiting 30 seconds by timing it. So because they tend to fade after 30 seconds. This is patient A, 5 p.m. Patient A, 5 p.m. All right. Patient A, 7:30 p.m. That's patient A, 7:30 p.m. And the last reading for patient A is at 9 p.m. Last reading, patient A, 9 p.m. Right, I hope you got all of those results down. If you didn't, just, rewind and pause or whatever. I have all these used test strips from patient A. Now we are going to test patient B. Got my samples, turn them around. Right, now we're back. We are now measuring the blood plasma of patient B. So the first measurement of patient B is taken at 6:30 a.m. And here it is. So this is patient B, 6:30. Where do you think that matches up? All right. You have 7:30 for patient B. This is 7:30 a.m. Now we have 10:30 a.m. for patient B. And now we have 11:30 a.m. patient B. So 11:30 patient B. Ooh, a bit wet there. That's 11:30 patient B. All right, it's been 30 seconds. So now we are looking at 12:30 patient B. That's 12:30 patient B. Now we're looking at 1:30 p.m. patient B. Now this is 3 p.m. patient B. 3 p.m. patient B. And 5 p.m. patient B. All right, nearly done. So this is the second last reading for patient B. This is at 7:30 p.m. And last reading for patient B is 9 p.m. All right, and that's all your results. As you can see, I've got all my used glucose strips here, and I hope you enjoy interpreting those results.